Hi guys, welcome to Ofye Padai. I'm Lavanya and today I'll teach you Ya 9 Fraga, a very simple easy concept. Ya means yes, 9 means no, Fraga means question. Basically, certain questions, when, for example, if I ask you the question, is orange your favorite color? What will be your answer? Yes, it is my favorite color, or no, it's not my favorite color. But what if I asked you the question, what is your favorite color? So your answer will be, my favorite color is pink. So have you noticed a difference in the way you've answered the question? When the question starts with a verb, for example, is orange your favorite color? Your answer is either in yes or no. And when the question begins with a WH word or the way Fraga, for example, what is your favorite color? Then your answer is a simple statement that my favorite color is whatever your favorite color is. But there's the yes or no involved. So that's what we need to focus upon, the structure basically. For example, I'll take the example of Hast du eine Tasche? Do you have a bag with you? So the verb is at the first position, subject at the second position, contrary to what? The normal sentence structure. The normal sentence structure always has the subject either at the first or the third position, but the verb is always at the second position. But when you have a Jana in Frage, the verb will be at the first position. Now, this was the Frage, now the Antwort. It can be either yes. So, ja, ich habe eine Tasche. Yes, I have a bag. Oder nein, ich habe keine Tasche. So here, first thing, ja, nine is considered as a zero position. It's not considered as a position. Subject is there at the first position. Verb is there at the second position. But when the question was framed, the verb comes at the first position and the subject comes at the second position. Very simple. Now, if the question has a negation, for example, hast du keine Tasche? There is a negation over it. Don't you have a bag? You know, then the answer can be in yes or no, but usually we'll use the word doc. Doc is like, of course I do. Doc is basically used, when there's a negation in the question. Doc, ich habe eine Tasche. Of course, I have a bag with me. Okay? So you can form sentences, for example, isst du Schokolade? Do you eat a chocolate? Isst du keine Schokolade? Doch, ich esse eine Schokolade. Right? So this was it. You basically need to focus on the position of the verb and the subject while you're framing a ja nein Frage. So that's it for today. I hope you have understood this concept very well. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.